Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to install and download Wells Fargo mobile app. Super simple and straightforward. As you can see right here, I myself have a Wells Fargo account and I currently use it to this day. So obviously to get the app, you're going to need to go on your phone. So the easiest way to do this, depending on if you have an Android device or an Apple device. If you have an Apple device, you're going to have to search it up on the App Store in specific, as you can see right here. But if you have an Android device, you're going to need to use the Play Store. But it's essentially the same thing, and the apps are relatively the same. They both do the same exact thing. They just have minor differences. Obviously, once you're on your device, this is a screenshot of my phone. You're going to find your way over to the App Store right here and go ahead and click it, which will lead you into here. This little search bar up here, just type in Wells Fargo. As you can see, this is the app right here. And then when you press this, it's going to let you go over here, and it's probably going to say install. Go ahead and click install and put in the password to your Apple ID. So that is required. If it's not your phone, then whoever's phone it is, you're going to have to ask them for the password for it or let them sign into it. But after you have that, you'll be able to open it and basically do everything you can do on this online banking screen, and sometimes even more, such as an easy way to call customer support via your phone. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, consider subscribing.